Welcome to Dynasty Central Snaps, where we rip a bowl, rip a pack, and we still got some more 21-22 Parkhurst moving through the blaster. We got a couple more left on the bill, so thank you for watching. Let's open this. Jesper Bratt, Darnell Nurse, Dominic Kubalik. We got a gold. Marcus Foligno.
Of gold!
I'm actually happy about that. I know it's Foligno. I keep saying Foligno on the channel. It's an inside joke among my family. It's hard to break, and I still don't give a fuck. I still like saying Foligno. Anyways, gold Foligno. We got a Phil the Thrill Kessel.
Hey, the hot dog flavored water!
And a rookie, Morgan Barron, Neil Pionk, Jeff Petrie, Adam Henrique, and a Patrick Line. All right, we got a Morgan Barron rookie. He's already been traded to the Winnipeg Jets, so but we did get a gold Marcus Foligno for the Minnesota Wild, and I love having him on my team. He's a great player, a great team player, and really brings the energy. So like Marcus Foligno, smash like down below, hit subscribe, and throw me a comment. Bring the energy to Dynasty Central Sports with a great comment and a like. And if you are new to the channel, a subscribe. Like I said, thank you for watching this. Happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. We'll see you